Sudip Tech Learning, and this new video we are going to see how we will issue PAN card anywhere in India using online procedure. It is very easy procedure. We will look into the detailed procedure out here. Okay, so this is the website, that is the pan.utitsl.com/pan. On this website you can do your PAN card, the new PAN card, within few minutes of time. Okay, so I will take you all to the entire tour of this. So let us begin with the procedure. So first thing, on that same page, if you come down, scroll down, you will find here this option, that is PAN card for Indian citizen, and there are other options also, that is PAN card for foreign citizens, change in the correction. Okay, then there is if you want to download your already existing PAN card, that also you can download here, and there are many other facilities also. Once you have applied, then you can track where is what is the status of it and all other things. So yes, we will I will try to make videos on this other things also. So for today, in this video, we are going to look at how we are going to issue the PAN card for Indian citizens or NR citizens, the same procedure. So let me click over here. So once I click over here, I will get this interface wherein form 49A. Now this is the form that we fill if you try to go physically to service provider, and they will give you this form and then the procedure. Now we are filling this online, so we are filling this form online here. Now there are options here. If you see physical mode, then you have to do, this is the normal procedure how you can do. The second option is the digital mode that is there. Now what we can do over here is, we can choose the digital mode option over here. This you can see the digital mode option, and under that there are more three options, that is Aadhaar based eKYC, e-sign mode, and DSC mode. Now you don't have to worry about this other two modes. So what we are more interested in, the Aadhaar based eKYC option. This is the best option that you can use. Provided for that Aadhaar e-based signing, you will be required rupees 5.9, that is the extra charge, that is the what they are taking out here, but that is fine because you can get it directly signed based on their Aadhaar card. In fact, if you see the procedure, it is going to be very easy when you are choosing this option, because all your details are going to be captured based on the Aadhaar. Okay, so after choosing that option, I can come down and you can see an option here saying that select the status of the application. Okay, now you can select, there are two status, as a firm if you are trying to take as a company for the company, or you can take it as an individual. So let me show that. So I have chosen individual over here, you can see, and then under that there is the option for you if you want both the physical card also, and or if you want only the e-pan card, that is the facility is provided, then they will post it to your home directly if you choose a physical pan card, and therefore that there is a charge over there. So I will select and show you how it is happening. For both it is same procedure, so I will select on both physical and after you select everything, you have to select on the submit option here. It is there. So once you select submit here, you get into the interface wherein you are going to fill your details over here. So you get a reference number, so that now you have already done this. If you want to go back and then again come back, you can use this reference number to log in back. Now okay, we can select here OK. So once you do that, if you see here, you can fill your personal details. Let me take my this here. There is a selection there, you can select your name, all these things you have to add over here. So I will move next. If you have been known by any other name, that also you have to add. If yes, no, you can say no. Gender, date of birth, these are all your basic details that you need to add over here. Now after that, this is the most interesting part of this, that is all your details. After this, you need not fill. All your details are going to be captured from the Aadhaar base. Whatever the Aadhaar number that you are going to give, on that all your details are going to be verified. So this is not required at all, not required. So I will skip this. Now this is the most important part, where is you are going to get the when you go to enter your Aadhaar card. On the same page, when you scroll down, you have to enter your applicant Aadhaar details. This is the most important part. You have to enter your Aadhaar number over here on this page provided, and after you enter your Aadhaar number and click on enter button, you will be again popped out to re-enter the Aadhaar number, and you have to re-enter your Aadhaar number. Now if you don't have your Aadhaar number, then there is a facility to, if you have the virtual ID or the Aadhaar enrollment ID, which is that also you can put and um, take it forward over here. Once you do that, click on OK. Now this will what is that, it will make your verification of your Aadhaar card. Once your Aadhaar card is verified, all your details are going to be automatically filled. Now select next, and then after when I select next, your document details, that is your residential details which are there, the proof of details, you don't have to add anything over. As I said, everything is taken out from your Aadhaar card. If you have already done the verification for your Aadhaar card, so all the details are going to be captured automatically. Then click on next step. Once you click on next step, here this is what you have to enter, the telephonic details of yours, the contact details. You can add whatever details that you want to add here. The one which are marked in asterisks are important, that is a telephone, mobile number and email ID are important. Other telephone ISD you can add if you wish to. Then there is a parent details option over here. Okay, then here you can see, if your parent is a single parent, you have to click yes or no, and based on that you can fill the other things. Now father's name you have to add if mandatory, except when mother is a single parent. If your mother is a single parent, then you can add your mother's name, otherwise you have to add your father's name only. Then next thing, here mother's name you have to add again, except if your mother is a single parent, then you have to add this. Then after that, the last option, if you see, this is the most important part again, because this is going to be coming on your card. This name is going to come in the card, printed name. You have to select which name you want to, which is the parent's name that you want. You can either select mother's name or the father's name that you want to be present on your card. Once you select this, click on the next step option. Okay, this is again that interesting thing which I was telling you. You don't have to enter anything over here. The resident details, all the address proof, you see here there is something coming as details will be captured based on Aadhaar details. So all your Aadhaar is already captured. Office address is not required here. Then office address is not required because you have selected individual. So again here this is office address not required. Here there is important thing, that is a source of income. You have to add what is your source of income. Salary option is there, property, capital gains, income from other sources. Okay, if you are in the engaged in business or profession, that you can, or if you don't have any income, there is an option to select no income. You can select on this option. After you fill all this, click on next step. Then there is other details. There is a representative assessee address detail. Now this, if you are going to some reference representative and then he is assessing it, then you have to add this. Otherwise there is no need of filling this. Okay, I will skip this part. You can also skip this part, not a big issue. Okay, this is the same thing. The last part on the same page, this is important, this you have to fill, that is the declaration that you give it. Okay, if you are having a representative SSE, the name of that person is going to come. Otherwise you don't, if you are not filling that, you will select capacity, you will select yourself, self or individual, whatever the option is coming there, self option. And verifier's name, you will write your own name over here. Okay, you will write your own name, and verification place is the place where you are filling this form. Okay, preferably your native place, whatever it is. Then after that, click on next step. Now again, this is again interesting thing, you don't have to upload any documents for the these details. All the details are going to be captured by other proof that you have already verified. So address proof, identity proof, date of birth proof, everything is your only Aadhaar details, nothing you have to worry about. Again, when I take down applicant's photo, that also will be again captured from Aadhaar. Your signature again will be captured from the Aadhaar. You don't have to fill anything. Okay, and then you have to select on submit. Now again, as I am telling, because I have selected the option for Aadhaar KYC option, that is the reason I have not. If you are not taking that option, or you are taking the e-sign option, then for that you have to fill all this detail. Okay, so it is better, I will advise that you have to always select the Aadhaar based eKYC option, because it is very simple, everything gets directly. Okay, once you have done that, select on submit. Okay, now you see, once you select on submit, all the things is done and your main application form is now submitted. This is submitted your application. Now the payment is left, and the next step is going to be a payment. All the details are going to be come over here. You can verify them. Then you have to click on make payment for doing the final step. Once you click on make payment, there is a interface that will come. There are two options, pay you and bill desk. Any one you can select, both serve the same thing. So I will select on bill desk. Then you have to enter all your card details, whichever option that there are four options: credit card, debit card, ATM pin, debit card, internet banking, and wallets also are available. So anyone you select, fill all these details and click on make payment. Okay, once you make payment, before payment there is a OTP, whatever these things are going to come, that you have to fill again. Click on submit. So once that Aadhaar based eKYC options is done, now this is the details wherein you are going to add your AO code. Now regarding this AO code details, if you don't know your AO code, you can simply Google search, write whatever the name of your taluka right there, and you will get your AO code that you have to simply fill over here. In fact, you can click on get AO details and everything is there. You can just click. All these other things, this will be either auto filled. If not, there are simple details you can fill it. After that, you have to click on update option. Once you click on update option, the Aadhaar based authentication is going to be done. Here you have to enter your Aadhaar number again. If you don't have Aadhaar number, your virtual ID will also work. Okay, after that you will get a OTP. Now again, this is important. Where you will get the OTP? You are going to get this OTP on the number which you have registered with your Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card number which is registered, there you are going to get this OTP. So you need to keep that mobile phone which is there handy with you. Then yeah, you will enter your OTP afterwards, and then there is a small declaration tick that you have to click on here, and after that simply click on submit option. Once you do that, done, you are done with this. And there is a short survey which is there. You can give them rating how your friendliness, user friendliness of the website and all. After doing that, you have to simply click on submit the rating, submit whatever rating that you want to give. It is purely based on your experience how you rate it. And yes, after doing that, it is done. Your application is successfully submitted, your payment is successfully done, and then you get all your details over here. And then within a week or 2 week, or it may sometimes take even a month, your physical card will be dispatched to you via the post office, and your pen card will also be given to you on your registered email ID that you have put. So this is the simple procedure that is there for filling your application form for PAN card anywhere in the India. You can sit and do this very easily. So I hope this video has helped you a lot. And yes, after that there is one more step, last step, that is this is not mandatory. If you want, you can click on the download signed pen form. It is the same thing that everything which is your field, it will come. It is not required actually. You can print it if you want, not required. After 2-3 weeks, or even may take a month, your card will come, and then you can enjoy all the benefits of the PAN card. So I think this video has helped you a lot. If well, yes, please like the video, please share the video to all your friends and family and your colleagues, all of them. And for more such videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos. For this videos, we have this much only. If you face any queries regarding this PAN card issues, or if you have any other online form filling issues, you can comment down in the comment box. I will try to make a video on it, and try to solve all your doubts as soon as possible. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, learn smart, be wise.